Good morning. Happy Tuesday, March 24th, 2020. We are in ELA Lesson 5. So for today's agenda, we're due now. We're going to have some vocabulary practice. We're going to deep dive again into some different standards for Unit 4, and then we're going to do some independent practice on Google Docs. I like this quote: everything negative, pressure, challenges, are all an opportunity for me to rise. That's by the late Kobe Bryant. I like that quote because, right now there's a lot of challenges. This is our first real work week with this Google Classroom. This is when things really start to count. But this is a great opportunity for us to learn about something new, and, really tackle it, and we'll rise above it, and we'll be just fantastic students and teachers in trying to do something that's super tricky and it was just thrown at us. So well done for the week before, and we're going to keep pushing through now. So for your do now, take a minute to pause. You're going to make an inference with this task card, and don't forget the short answer at the bottom. This goes in your journal. So you should be pausing and reading and answering the questions. Then you press play. For your vocabulary practice, you just click the link. We've had some questions about how this works right here, this gravity game. Get started. What I would do here, I would answer with the term so that you don't have to write so much. So to set apart, you just write the actual word. Okay? So for today's reading, we're going to look at priority standards for Unit 4. Today we're going to be studying the writing standards. Yesterday we did the reading informational text up here. Today we're going to be doing writing in the middle. Okay, so then you're going to click the video and watch me discuss each standard, and then you're going to be able to flip through them by yourself to ensure your understanding. All of these are going to be talked about. It looks just like yesterday's lesson. Okay, then you're going to get to practice with the writing standards. In our classwork section of the ELA Google Classroom, you're going to find ELA Lesson.5 independent work, and a new Google document will open for you. You will practice the writing standards in the document. In order to turn in, you need to click Turn in and Upload/Attach the document. If you don't, I have nothing to grade. So how do I find that? Remember, every morning when you go to your ELA classroom or humanities classroom, don't focus on the side. Go to classwork. You always watch the presentation first, okay? This is ELA Lesson 5, so you're going to find ELA Lesson 5 independent work under Unit Standards. You're going to click the Google Doc. This automatically gives you your very own, and you're going to work through this after you go through the standards. So you're going to tell me what the standard means in your own words, leave it blue. Read the following argument and highlight the argument being made. So I'm asking which is the correct argument. Whatever you think is the right argument, you highlight in the blue. Which of the following would be the strongest evidence to back it up? Highlight in blue. Then 7.4, you're going to be highlighting more. Which paragraph is more organized? Tell me why in the box. Then you're going to highlight the answer again in red after you tell me what standard 7.8 means. You're going to read this excerpt and then answer this question. Then you're going to do your own digging for information and finding a website that you can trust. What is the website? Why can you trust it? What did you learn? And give me evidence of the learning. Then you fill it out, and when you click Turn In, you have to go to the top, click Turn In, attach the file, and it'll be called your name and then this. So how do I know I'm done? I've watched the standards breakdown video on the priority writing standards. I have written notes in my journal, and I have completed the ELA Lesson 5 independent work and submitted and attached it to my ELA assignment.